Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, did I just buy or did I just sell these Ferragamos? What do you think? You think I just bought these? You know I'm a huge thrifter, right? But you also know that I have a Poshmark closet now. So, did I buy them or did I just sell them? Stick around. These Ferragamos are like a gold mustard color. They have the very signature bow with the Ferragamo signature in here. And they're really nice. I love these. But guess what? I bought these shoes, I think it's been like 8 years ago. Yeah, at least 8 years ago. I bought them from a consignment store. And I just sold them today on Poshmark. So I'm really excited about it. I got up this morning and I had an offer. This is right. Let me back up. I went home to New Jersey and decided, well, you know what? I have a bunch of clothes there that I don't wear, especially since, I haven't been working in the corporate field in a while. It's been almost a year. But so I decided, shop my closet. So I went in and I found these in my closet and I realized I haven't worn them I think I wore them once after I bought them from the consignment store. Because of the color, it's not like something you can wear every day. It's not like the patent leather ones. If I had those, they'd probably be my everyday work shoes. But, so I decided to take some things from my closet and put them on Poshmark. So these lovelies I am parting with because I got up this morning. I put them on Sunday or Monday. Today's Tuesday. I got up this morning and I had an offer for them. So I'm letting them go. And in my monthly report, in my May report, I'll report how much everything sold for. But I am like so excited that somebody's going to be able to use these and that my Poshmark adventure continues. So stick with me, guys, and I'll continue to bring you all the stuff that I sold on Poshmark. I'm so excited about it now. There's another piece that sold last night as well. And again, I'll report that in my monthly what sold on Poshmark and the stats. But aren't these adorable? And I hope she enjoys them. I really do. All right, guys, that was a quick... just a quick little update. I'm just so excited. I'm on my way to the post office now. So I'll see you in my next production. Bye now.